Many of you will know that when it comes to the car market in China, the new energy vehicle market has surpassed the gas or engine cars. This is something that we've been seeing starting from July. It is for this reason that we continue seeing EV companies like Nio continuing to do well, because it appears that the demand is getting higher and higher, and the more these demands grows is the more companies like Nio will continue to grow. Now, the reason why I'm talking to you, I'm telling you this today is well because we just recently received a report indicating that the China wholesale new energy vehicle car was sitting at 1,228,000 for the month of September, which shows you that once again we continue seeing this market growing so quite sharply. I mean, this 1.2 over 1.2 million, it is a 17% increase month to month and a 48% increase year over year, which shows you that the market, or the new energy vehicle market, continues to do well, continues to penetrate. I mean, analysts or people were expecting to see 1.1 million of these wholesales of new energy vehicle cars, and getting to see that it comes over 1.2 million, it is something that shows you of how well the new energy vehicle market is performing in China. And it is for that reason I will stress again that companies like Nio will continue doing well, because as long as this market continues to grow, all the new energy vehicle companies will continue also growing. And of course, I know some of them might not be here or might not be selling in the next probably 5 to 10 years. Some of the companies will have shut down, but I tell you, Nio, it's one of the companies that will be the leaders, or that in fact has become the leaders in this fast growing EV space, and therefore they are not going anywhere because of the kind of performance we are seeing onto Nio. This Nio that we are seeing now is different from the Nio that we used to see a year or two ago, and therefore those that are investing into this company will definitely be rewarded. So when I got this number, I was very excited, which is why I'm deciding to give you this. I mean, this is one of the major catalysts. If you are thinking that Nio is going to bankruptcy, which some of the people are still thinking that, then you have to think again, because like I said, the more the market grows, the more companies like Nio will continue doing well. So yeah, I'm happy, I'm excited about this, and I think it shows you that what we are seeing or what we saw in September, it might be nothing compared to what we are going to see now, because Q4, you know that the entire car market globally, usually the sales usually grow much more, because, or grow more than the previous quarters, because people in Q4 want to spend their holidays, their festive seasons on brand new cars, and therefore they go and start to hitting the dealership or visiting the dealerships to look for the cars which they will be spending Christmas with their family riding, which is something that is very interesting, something that is incredible, because in Q4 we can expect more than what we are seeing, or than what we saw in Q3, like this over 1.2 million of wholesales or new energy vehicle wholesales, which is something that just has to tell you to brace yourselves for what's coming, because Q4 great things are still going to come. And one of the main reasons why the new energy vehicle market has been performing like this in China, it's of course because of the subsidies that the Chinese government introduced, which for new energy vehicle cars, those that swap their old cars for new energy vehicle cars get 20,000 RMB, whereas those that swap their old cars for new gas or engine cars, they get like 15,000 RMB, which shows you of how China is prioritizing new energy vehicle cars or new energy vehicle market, which you and me, with that we can also again agree that Nio, it's one of the companies that will do exceptionally well because of this. So I'm happy, man, about this, and it shows us that the 20,000 that we've been seeing onto Nio, it is going to continue because demand is just there. The 20,000 that Onvo wants to see also in the near future is gonna come because the demand is there. All we need to do is to be patient. I mean, Nio is already selling over 20,000, but for Onvo we just need to be a bit patient. Who knows, this coming December we might see Onvo selling over 20,000 deliveries. I know there are some issues, they are still ramping up their production capacity right now, Onvo, but I tell you, this December we might be somewhere very good when it comes to the deliveries that Envoy is generating on a monthly basis. So I look forward to this new energy vehicle cars sales growing, as this shows of how massive this market is in China. And those that are still thinking that companies like Nio will not do that well, or the steam that we are seeing onto deliveries is going to cool off, they have to think again, because the more we see these numbers growing of new energy vehicle wholesales, retail sales in China, is the more companies like Nio will continue doing very well. So tell me what you think about this. Otherwise, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. I am happy, I am excited. Stock price wise, Nio yesterday started the day down over 2% or 2.5%, but ended the day on a green, which is something that of course brought some relief to those that look into the day-to-day movement of the Nio stock price. For us, even when it tanks, or for some of the retail investors, when it tanks, they take the low trading prices opportunities to scoop more shares, to increase more holdings onto the Nio stock, which is something that I just wish even that these investors that panic on because of daily movements, they can see the bigger picture and start investing onto Nio with a perception of where it could be in the future. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. Do your own DD. Don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell, because I mean, it takes me some time to do these videos, and I'll really appreciate if you can just hit that likes button, comment and subscribe. That's if you are a Nio follower or you want to know more about Nio, because on this channel I give you day-to-day Nio updates, which therefore those that are following Nio, that want to buy Nio already, maybe before you go and read the articles on YouTube here, I would have given you the latest developments like these ones. They might not be talking about Nio, but they might have an impact onto Nio, or any kind of news that will have an impact onto Nio. I also cover them, like this new energy vehicle wholesales, which just got published just today. So I'm happy, I'm excited. Do your own DD. That's all from me, and God bless you all.